Wix website. Whether you're introducing a new product, aiming to gather email signups, or simply want to enhance the user journey on your site, a well-crafted landing page can be a game changer. It focuses your visitors' attention and encourages them to take action, which can greatly improve your site's effectiveness. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to add a fresh landing page using the intuitive tools that Wix provides. You might be surprised at how straightforward and quick it is. So let's jump in and explore the process together. Before we dive into the steps, it's essential to ensure you're logged into your Wix account and that you're managing the website where you want this new landing page to appear. This might seem like a small detail, but it's crucial, especially if you handle multiple websites. It avoids any mix-ups later on. Once you are in your Wix workspace, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you will notice a menu with several options. For today's task, focus on Pages and Menu. This section organizes all the various parts of your website, displaying them in a straightforward list format. You'll see familiar pages like your home page, about page, and contact page. Now let's move on to adding a new page to your site. Look for the Add Page button, which is typically easy to spot at the top or bottom of your list of pages. Click on it, and you will see an option specifically for landing pages. Wix differentiates landing pages from standard pages as they are meant to be simple, focused, and designed to drive specific actions, such as campaign participation or signing up for newsletters. Once you select the landing page option, Wix will present you with a variety of templates to choose from. Take a bit of time to browse through these. You'll find templates for many purposes like event registrations, email captures, product launches, and more. Each template is crafted with clean layouts and attention-grabbing elements, which are crucial for converting visitors into leads or customers. Choose a template that best suits your objectives. For instance, if you're aiming to encourage newsletter signups, pick a template featuring a prominent form. Or, if you're promoting a special offer or event, look for templates with bold calls to action and striking visuals. Once you have selected the ideal template, click on it. Wix will seamlessly integrate it as a new page on your site. Now comes the fun part, customizing your landing page. Every template Wix offers is fully customizable, which means you can alter text, swap images, modify buttons, and adjust colors to align with your brand identity. The best landing pages are clear and direct. Aim to minimize distractions and keep your message focused. If you're feeling a bit daunted by the array of options, start with the basics. Change the headline and the main image first. You can always go back to fine-tune the smaller details later. Don't worry if you are new to using Wix or if you need a moment to get accustomed to these steps. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, and you can preview your changes before the landing page is live. Think of your landing page like a window display in a store. It's what your target audience will see first, so ensure it communicates the right message and is visually appealing. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've added a brand new landing page to your existing Wix site. If you have any questions about customizing templates or need tips on making a landing page truly effective, feel free to leave a comment below. I read every comment and am here to help. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to PMN Online for more easy step-by-step tutorials to help you get the most out of your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to create a landing page on an existing Wix website. If you want more videos like how to create a landing page on an existing Wix website, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.